Tonight we're going to be making something good, something you have never seen before on our channel. And one thing you guys do not know about us yet is that we love trying foods from everywhere. So whether it's Chinese, some Korean barbecue for daddy, some Jamaican, some Indian, Greek, whatever it is, we love it. And then we're going to start bringing that more on the channel, some foods that we love to eat too. So let's go ahead and get into this video for tonight. We're going to be making an Indian dish. So it's kind of like butter chicken. So if you like butter chicken, this is going to be the video for y'all. So just keep watching. So we're going to make what's called korma chicken. And it's a creamy yellow simmer sauce with spices and coconut. Can you say mmm? And to make this dish, we're going to need chicken, which we're going to use chicken thighs. And that's what we prefer because they're the most juiciest. But if you want to use chicken breast, go ahead and use some chicken breast. It's up to you, okay? And then once we've done that chicken, we're going to put it over some white rice to suck up all of that juicy sauce. And then you know we got to make it look pretty, y'all. Got to make it nice and cute. We're going to use some green onions. Now, y'all, we probably had this sauce before, but I can't remember. But you know how it is when you've had so many things, and it's been a while since we made this. But this is the first time you guys have seen it. And we hope you enjoy it. First things first, let's go ahead and get this chicken clean and washed. I'm gonna go ahead and take the skin off this chicken because we don't need it in this dish. And you guys know Daddy have a special request every video. So I end up putting the chicken skins in the oven and making some homemade pork rinds with the chicken skins, okay? They was good too. Now, I normally buy the boneless chicken breast for this dish, y'all, but clearly I was not paying attention. But hey, what's the slogan of our channel? Make it work. So we just had to go ahead and cut that chicken off the bone. And it's really easy. You just got to make sure you cut it really close. Now, the other tedious parts. You guys, use some scissors, okay? This will make your life so much easier to cut these chicken up in cubes. Today was just one of those spontaneous days, spontaneous dishes, so I was not thinking, and I surely paid for it, but hey, it's all worth it in the end, right? So let's go ahead and get this chicken seasoned up. You know, we need a little bit of salt just to bring the flavor out. And I'm going to add some cayenne pepper because with that coconut milk is sweet and you want to make sure it's a little spicy. So comment down below if you feel a little spicy tonight too, y'all. And then you know we love our garlic powder. You got to have that garlic powder in your dish, okay? We love our poultry seasoning too. It just brings a little bit of oomph to the chicken, okay? Just a little oomph. Ain't gonna hurt. And then of course, because this is Indian dish, we want to make sure we put a little bit of that Indian in there as well. So let's go ahead and get our pot cut on, get ready for this chicken to be fried up. And you know it's always a good cook that got a pot of grease on the stove, always ready, okay? So no need to get your hands all dirty tonight to mix the chicken up. Just a quick toss because we're going to go ahead and fry this chicken up anyway. And you don't have to overly season this chicken because you want the sauce to take over this dish. So just a little seasoning, it'll do the job. If you only knew the struggle I had putting this chicken in this pot, oh my goodness, this grease was popping everywhere. I had to duck for my life, y'all. But hey, I can smell this curry in this chicken. We're going to let this chicken go ahead and get crisp up. It smells so good in here already. I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and start this rice. If you guys been watching our channel long enough, you know how we do our rice. Gotta crisp it up first just to give it a little bit of extra something. And then we're gonna go ahead and measure our rice out. We're gonna need 4 cups of rice because I wanna make sure we have enough to feed everybody tonight. And normally we don't make this much rice at one time, but because we're having souls, I just want to make sure everybody has enough. It's nothing like having a fresh pot of rice for a leftover meal, okay? Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. And if you don't do it that way, that's fine. It's up to you. Now we're gonna go ahead and get that starch off of that rice, because that's the key to rice, is getting that starch off. So we're gonna go ahead and add our rice to this hot oil and go ahead and stir it up. Make sure the oil coats all of that rice, and we're just gonna let it chill out for a second and let it get nice and toasty. Now here we go. We're gonna go ahead and add our water to the pot. And if you want to use chicken stock, water, whatever liquid you choose. I just didn't have any chicken stock on hand, but good old water is just as fine. Oh, let's take a second and take a look at this chicken. Let's go ahead and take it out because it is ready, this first batch, and we're gonna go ahead and move right along. Now, the most key important part to cooking your white rice is to season your rice right here. If you don't season your rice with salt right here, you're not going to get that flavor later on. So go ahead and do that. Put the top on it, and let's get back to this chicken. Oh, do you hear that sizzle? That sizzle? Yes. Let's go ahead and add all that chicken in there. We just can't. So let's go ahead and turn this pot of rice on high. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to turn it down to simmer once it gets there. I should have known better. And y'all should have told me I was using this little pot for this much rice, okay? But this thing had a nerve to boil over, so I had to switch my pot. I cannot be messing my rice up. No. Take 2. Rice then came to a boil. We're going to go ahead and just let this pot simmer for about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add the chicken back to the pan. I've already drained that grease, leaving the bits in. And as you can see, yes, the chicken is hardly no more because the family been in here taking it all as I've been cooking. And it shrinks down as you cook it. So we're going to go ahead and bring it back up to temperature just a little bit before we add this sauce. Yes, y'all. Ready for this sauce. Now this time around, I purchased these at Aldi's for $1.99 a bottle. But normally, we just get them from our local grocery store in the international aisle. So just go in there, check it out, and see what you find. Now, doesn't this look good? Some Indian curry chicken. Oh my goodness. And then the only thing that we're missing is some pita bread to go on the side and some tzatziki sauce, which is that white cucumber sauce. Y'all have no idea. I hope you guys love this dish. And if you are inspired to try it, you'll love it. You know? We're going to add a little bit more cayenne pepper just to bring that spice out. And then the white rice is done. Now, we told you we was going to top it off with some green onions, and here they go. We're going to go ahead and chop them finely. And I was trying to hurry up, you guys, because Daddy had to go to work, had to give him something good to eat to send them off with. Here's our bowl. We're going to try to make this fancy and cute. So go ahead and put some rice in your bowl. And then we're going to do the okie doke. Turn the plate upside down and put the rice and turn the rice out. I did it. Ooh, ooh, Sorry, you guys can't really tell, but this looks so good. Just wanted to take a quick second to let the mamas know, the ladies know that we got a new fun place to go ahead and let your hair down, take a break. Go ahead and pamper yourself because it's time to get cute, mama, okay? This is our new channel, a channel for us to just glow and be beautiful. And remember, and most importantly, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can join the fam. Go ahead and learn a thing or two in the kitchen and just have fun with us. All right? See you next time. Bye.